In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can doing carve any text on canva.com. So first things you need to do, going on canva.com, you need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough for everything. So you can see I open up a design. So if I delete this design, so just delete, then I want to open any others design. Example purpose, this is my design. You can open up any design. This is the same method and same way. So just you need to select your text, then going on effect section, and if you are mobile user, PC user, this is the same way and same method. Just going on effect, then scroll down, you can see this is a sharp option and this is a curve. Just click on curve, then you can doing it, and here anything there. Here if you want to keep it the round system like here, so just first things, just select your text, then click on position, then click on the right center, left center, center, top, middle, bottom, etc, etc. You are able to doing on Canva. So this is a method you can doing text curve on Canva. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.